Good day. My name is Amos of Thinkable Forex, and today is the 1st of the 2nd, 2024. 1st of February, 2024. It's a quick trade that I'm going into right now. It's forming, and it's already formed, and I'm going into it right now. It's what we're looking for and what I've been saying and talking about in my previous video. So let me share my screen so that we can dive into it. All right, this is euro dollar. Euro dollar is performing this right now. On the left side, we have 4-hour time frame, while on the right side, we have 15 minutes time frame. 4 hours is used to spot the pattern, while 15 minutes is used to execute the trade. So what am I looking at in this setup here? Give me a moment. This is what I look for. The market has been in this range or this movement downward. It's been coming down, as you know. It's been doing its thing. And then what is funny about it here is that it's been stalling, ranging, breaking as if it's going. You can see it's been doing all these sort of things. Yesterday, we have the news. That's what happened. If you see the video I posted yesterday, this is the effect. And then it's overdue. The currency is overdue to move up. That's my belief. And now it's stalled here again. And the market returned to this level, right? Bounce off that level, right? The market is bouncing off this level, as you can see. Then new market open, this candle for 4 hours, this candle open. As I said, we're looking for where market stall, find a place to stall, behave as if it's going, then refuse, close back into that support or resistance level. And then the new one open, behave as if it's going towards that way again, but close back inside. That is what happened here. As you can see here, that's exactly what happened here. The market find this level, right? Previously, let me clean it up. Previously, this happened. Just of a sudden, the market stalled. Something might have happened in the past. Sorry for that. Something might have happened in the past. That's why this place is, respected. Here, if the market came down, the market respect the level again. This new one open as if it's going down, but close back inside. So that is what we start to look for. From there on, you start to look, you're monitoring your 15 minutes time frame to see what is going to happen. So I'm going to make it this chart 1 now so that it can look bigger and we can see and understand what I'm talking more. So I'll just open the 15 minutes for us. So this is what we look for there. This line here, let me put my pen. This line is from 4 hours. As you know, it will come from 4 hours. Then we'll be looking for our pattern for market to start going up because we're looking for up trend because this one is support. The market is bouncing off this line. So we're looking for a pattern where market will start going up, right? Higher high or lower high, whatever they call it. We're looking for a place where the market will stall to on the 15 minute. And we're looking for double bottom. We need to make sure that level is holding. Then we're looking for a double bottom. Then we take our trade. So that is what happened here. The market have started. Let me clean it up again. So the market started moving, right? Start moving, stall here in the past, but we didn't take that. Now the market stalled here, right? Is respecting that area. So before this spike that you saw now, I've taken the trade. I think there's a small news from US again. That's why it's in this reaction, this candle right now that is happening, right? So, but I didn't look at the calendar. They have news today. Anyway, but I can see that this market stalled here, went up, returned here, then move up, then stall. I start to look for what is called my own double bottom. So that's what makes me to take the trade, right? So that's the reason why I took the trade, and I hope it will go as I wish. I'll go to 4 hours. So I use this level to be my take profit. This level is my TP, take profit. My stop loss, you can see right here at the bottom here. And then entry is here on 4 hours now. I'm back on 4 hours just to show. As I said yesterday, in this yesterday video, that's my projection, right? It's like 1 to 3. Does not mean that I'm going to wait till you get to this level. I will monitor market condition will predict what to do. If you get here and I see that I'm not happy with what market is doing, I can close my trade and get out and take whatever you give to me. And if you continue to move, fine, I will leave it there and then keep monitoring it and see if you get to my level. If it doesn't get to my level, I will take whatever you give to me here. It doesn't matter. But this is 4 hours. So if I put it back 15 minutes, right, I'll be monitoring here. If you come here on 15 minutes and give me what I want, I will take it. And then this will be the only video I'm going to make on this entry or trade I took. This only video. There's no point for me to come back to show updates. But that's how I do my trade. Right there, I can see, you can see that it's got rejection. So it's going up 15 minutes, right? Rejection, rejection, and rejection. And here we go. So hopefully, I'm hoping to come here. If it comes here, it's not that much. I will take whatever it gives me. If it continue to go as I show you on 4 hours, so be it. Just let me share with you, maybe to help someone, as always. And if you find this video helpful, please share so that I can. And then if you think there's anything you want me to improve, please do let me know. I will try my best to action that. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.